Okay, right there is a strip loin. I just flipped it over. I think I pan fried it for at least 3 minutes on one side. It has a nice crisp to it, I guess. Sauteed onions. Just flipped it over, timing it for 2 minutes on this side. Yeah, I don't do rare or raw. Medium at least. Medium rare or something like that. We'll see. Alright, this is a new take for me. I just thought I did a mashed potato, and I did, there's some spinach and broccoli. I blanched or cooked a little bit before blending it in with my hand blender. Puree it. I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, and it'll go in the oven. A new take on mashed potatoes and all your vegetables in here, and then plus sauteed onions as well. Alright, at this point I have turned off the stove, and just, like 16 seconds to go before the timer goes off. I think hopefully it's not overcooked. We'll see. Alright, there's the Parmesan cheese on top. It's going to go under broil in my toaster oven. And here I just made a quick apple cake. Turned out nicely. Alright, took it off the frying pan. Let it rest for a minute or so. Well, until the mash is done. It's just timing everything, trying to coordinate. And look at all that sauteed onions on top. I wish I had mushrooms, but it looks amazing. I think this, hopefully this will be one of my best ones. I don't cook steak a lot, so I did at one point, but for me, I have timed it over the, time. And I think 3 minutes for me, depending on the thickness of the cut too. This one's a little thicker. So, yeah, I have tested it out in 3 minutes on each. 3 minutes on one side, maybe 2 minutes on the flipped over, and then heat turned off. And it's, yeah, that's how I've mastered my own steak. Otherwise, everyone has their own way of cooking their steak. It looks good, smells great. Alright, here's my dinner. Finally, I'm gonna dig in. So that's my vegetable mash. So I think I'm gonna start making my potatoes like that more often. So get all my vegetables in here and in a mash form. Looks good. I haven't tasted it, but I bet you it's gonna be super yummy. Take your bite. Looks good. Oh, I should cut it open and see how it looks inside. Okay, be right back. Perfect. A little pink inside. So medium. Well, I guess some people consider that. So that's how I like my steak these days. So, all right. So there you go. That's how I make my steak. Pretty good. I'm really enjoying my steak. I just want to come back on and show you. In the middle, it's pinkier. So because it's thicker. So there you go. So I didn't overcook it. And it's nice and tender and delicious, of course. And I think this steak cost me $10.50 or so at Farm Boy. So this would have cost me double the price or more, actually more than that, at a steakhouse.